everybody, and also welcome from my side to the Glaston Innovation Days. My name is Ralf Schulz, and I'm the team leader from the Service Upgrade IG department at Glaston, Germany. During the presentation, I would like to give you more information about the following points. What are upgrade kit, service upgrades IG? What are the scope of the service upgrade replacement? The different kind of upgrade options, and the conclusions of the service upgrades. What is service upgrade IG? You know it from your daily business. All the machines are running mechanically well, but electrical components are obsolete. This is where we from Service Upgrade come in and apply modern and more powerful upgrade kits in compliance with the functionality. The Service Upgrade IG at Glaston is split in two segments. The first segment is conversions and functional enhancements on IG machines and IG lines. For example, additional production procedures and further machine functions. The second segment is replacement of older machine components. Both is valid for machines and IG lines of these brands, former Lenhart, former Bystronic Glass, and now Glaston. What is the scope of Service Upgrade IG? Some problems at older IG machines or IG lines are that electrical components are discontinued from the manufacturers. No spare parts are available. If possible at all, reparation takes several days. In the event of malfunctions or total failure, the plant has a downtime. For the most part, the follow-up devices cannot be used directly one-to-one. Partly are adaptations of the existing hardware installation in PLC software are necessary. To prevent this, proactive actions are required before problems occurs. Critical components in the individual machines or the complete IG line can be replaced in advance. Let's take an example of the process of a service upgrade at Glaston. The first step is working out a meaningful offer. Not a meaningful offer, at first is a meaningful overall concept with the customer, then checking out the existing design of the electrical components, layout, and possible upgrade kits. Then coordination of what is required, what has to be done. If desired, we can do detailed information about necessary mechanical machine revisions. The next step is then a creation of a meaningful offer with explanation of the necessary upgrade modifications. Step 3 is the preparation of the necessary modifications at the customer's machine taking place through Glaston hard and software engineers. The date for the modifications on site at the machine or a G line is agreed with the customer so that the customer can plan his production in advance. Then the implementation of the upgrade kits on site taking place by qualified Glaston engineers and technicians. The machine is set again with a new component, and all parameters will be checked and adjusted. The maintenance staff will be instructed on the replaced devices. The next step is send over the project documentation, modified circuit diagram and layouts, a new operating instruction of the machine if necessary, and updates of the Glaston spare parts catalog. Now an overview about the different kind of upgrade options at the IG lines. We have upgrade options for example, for the frequency converters, like the discontinued Siemens Micromaster. You can see it on the right side of the slide. We have upgrade solutions to the current Dynamics G120 series. We have also upgrade solutions for PLC controls of Schleicher and Siemens. Then we have upgrade solutions for servo converters from company Stöber. We have also upgrade solutions for discontinued PC-based or PLC-based panels. Then we have an upgrade solutions for the standalone machine, the Butyl extruder, where the complete control unit and operator panel will be replaced. And then we have upgrade solutions for teleservice, that remote connection to the RG machines or RG line will be possible. You can find more information on our website. On the website glaston.net/materials, in the section service, you can find a product overview. Or please contact us directly via email with the email address service-upgrade.de@glaston.net, or by phone with the direct number 3 times the 5. What are the conclusions of Service Upgrade AG? The advantages for a proactive upgrade are: the existing AG manufacturing components are again up to date to the latest technology. There's a 100% spare parts availability again. Increase of process stability. Then it is a cost-effective solution for upgrading all the modules or machines for the future. User-friendly for the maintenance staff, as the new components are in use. And extension of the service life of your machines. This was my presentation about the overview about Service Upgrade AG, and I give the word back to Peter.